exciting news to share with those who are preparing for their GCE and those in grade 10 to grade 12. I and my team sat down to see all the pamphlets available in soft copy in Zambia. We saw some things that were missing and we decided to work on a project about a special pamphlet called Exam Data. So what makes this pamphlet special? So this is the cover page of the same pamphlet. As you can see on the top right corner, it's going at 45 kwacha. So what features does it have? So it is made of latest past examination questions, that is from 2020 to 2023. Most pamphlets have questions from years before 2020. This one has most of its questions from 2020 to 2023, but of course it has some questions from 2019, 2018, but most of them are from 2020 to 2023. The idea was to have something that's going to reflect the current content of the syllabus and of course what you should expect in your exams. It also has solutions for these questions with videos. In case you are solving a question, you fail, then you go to the solution, but still you can't understand, there is somewhere where you can click to watch a video of how that question was solved. It also has all its questions organized in topics. Okay, we believe that you need to become very good at each and every topic to pass an exam. Then after that, it has timed questions. Time is of essence in an exam. You can know everything in an exam, but if you can't answer the questions within the stipulated amount of time, then you may end up failing. The questions are timed as per exam standard timing. Also, it has corresponding notes with mind-bending exercises. So the notes come in a different package, which is a different pamphlet. When you buy or when you pay 45 kwacha, you get both of them. 45 kwacha is for both the exam questions and also the notes. So what features do we have in the notes? So this is the exam data notes. Okay, so you pay 45 kwacha, you get this one, the exam data notes and the exam data pamphlet. So what does this exam data notes pamphlet contain? So first, this exam data notes contains video lessons. So each topic starts with a video lesson which you can watch, the concepts being explained to you. Then after that, it has the notes which you need to go through. At the end of the notes, there are exercises. So each topic starts with a video lesson. After a video lesson, there are notes. After notes, there is an exercise. Okay, so the exercise is made of different types of questions that mirror how exam questions can be twisted. Okay, then after that, of course, there are solutions to those questions. These solutions have corresponding video solutions. The pamphlet is also made in such a way that it is easy to navigate. Okay, when you open it, there's a table of content that has all the topics. You click the topic that you want, it will take you there to the topic. Okay, you go through the topic, you do the exercise, you want to see the solution, you click somewhere, it will take you to the solutions. You are done looking at the solution, you want to go back to the topic, there's somewhere you can click to take you back to the topic. So it's easy to use. Okay, of course, in the next video or the next part, I'll show you how to use the pamphlet. Once more, the price is 45 kwacha for both of them. For orders, you can get in touch with sales on WhatsApp or call this line. You can download a free sample in the description below. If you are watching this on Facebook, you can check the comment section for the link where you can download the free samples. Exam data, more than a soft copy.